So welcome to UK News Today. Today we have news that judge plus decision to jail a man who docked 2.7 pound train free as he frees him on appeal. Bradley Howsego, 22, received a sentence of 21 days behind bars after telling magistrates he booked the fee for a short trip. A man was jailed for 21 days for failing to buy a 2.7 train ticket. Bradley Howsego, 22, received the punishment after telling magistrates he bunked the fee for a short trip, but the judge branded the sentence externally inappropriate as he freed him following an appeal. Chelmsford Crown Court GPs were wrongly told by a rail firm Greater Anglia law that Howsego had 6 fair evasion convictions. Judge Jonathan Seeley, who heard the appeal and accepted the defendant of Colchester Essex had been caught the field dogging only once or twice. He reduced his sentence to 1 day in jail and cut 13-week term for driving offences to 52 days. As Howsego had been in prison since the sentence on July 18, he was free on license. Defense solicitor Sarah Stragos said later, "I don't believe he would be sending people away from railway fares. It is an offense that does not warrant custody. Period." But Greater Anglia insisted not buying a ticket result in fees going up and less money available to invest in anyway. Thank you very much for listening to news today. I hope you enjoyed this news. Please subscribe our channel to get more news. Thank you.